Good morning, children. Today we will do the geometrical construction. So, before starting geometrical construction, you should know about the geometrical instrument. So, inside the geometry box, this is a geometry box. Inside the geometry box, there is the compass, or some also called it as the rounder, and this is a divider, and again this is protractor. In this protractor you will find the measurement of degree, that is 0 to 180 degree. From this side also 0 to 180, and this side also 0 to 180, and these are your two set square. So this is the measurement of angle 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and this set square has the measurements, that is your 45 degree and 90 degree. And again you will see this is the ruler or scale. So in this scale it has centimeters and inch. So this side is inch, that is 1 to 15 inch, and this side is in centimeter, that is 1 to 38 centimeter. So this is known as scale, or some also call it as ruler. And this is all about your geometry box. Now we will start about the construction. So, constructing a quadrilateral. So, for construction, there are criteria when the length of four sides and a diagonal are given. This is one construction. Second, when two diagonals and three sides are given. This is second type. Third is when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. And third one is when three sides and two included angles are given. And there are special cases. So we are not discussing today about this special case. Today we will discuss and do the practicals of these four cases. So now we will start the first case, that is when the length of four sides and a diagonal are given. So here you see this is a quadrilateral ABCD, whose AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter, and AC is 7 centimeter. So you can name the quadrilateral in two ways. That is, one is your clockwise or anti-clockwise. So here I have named anti-clockwise A, B, C, D. Or you may also name the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. But you can't name AB and CD like this manner. So always it should be either in clockwise manner or it may be in anti-clockwise manner. So I have taken it as anti-clockwise manner. So when you are constructing this quadrilateral, you will see that the one diagonal is given. Here given one diagonal. So one diagonal is given and other four sides are given. So when you will construct this quadrilateral, you will find two triangles. So first you have to construct one triangle, then other triangle. So according to your wish, you can construct ABC triangle first or ADC triangle first. So I am telling you about the construction. Suppose here it is 7 centimeters. So you draw the length 7 centimeter. but here I have taken the greater length, that is 7 inch I have taken here for your bigger shape. And when you are doing this and you name it, because you will forget later, so AC, and you also give the dimension, that is 7 centimeter. Again, this is your 6 centimeter. So this is the scale, this is the scale, and this is your compass. Here you take 6 centimeter. So here you take 6 centimeter, like this manner, 6. Correctly 6, this pointed end in your 0 position and other is your in 6 centimeter. So this is 6. Okay. So now you keep this and taking A as center, cut an arc. Similarly, for CD, you again take the measurement, that is your 4 centimeter. So keep here this end in 0 position and this is your 4 centimeter. So taking C as center, you cut another arc, and the two arcs intersect at this point and you name it as D. Now you join CD. Similarly, you also join AD. Now you got ADC triangle. So you also give the dimension. Then this is your 6 centimeter. Now we got ADC triangle. Similar way, you take AB 4.5. So you say same way. You take, this is 4.5. you see 4 and 5 के बीच में जो है 4.5. So you take like this manner and taking A as center, you got one arc of 4.5 centimeter. Again BC is 5.5. So again you take BC 5.5. So you take here 5.5. 5 and 6 के बीच में 5.5 and taking C as center, you cut another arc, and where the two arcs intersect, that point is B. That is B point. Now you join AC. Now you join AC and BC and BC, and you also give the dimension. This is 5.5 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. So ABCD is the required quadrilateral. This is the required, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. And you can write the steps of construction. And again now, the second case is when two diagonal and three sides are given. Here, two diagonals, that is your one is TI 4.5, LF 4.5 and TI 4 centimeter. And the other sides is 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2.5. So this is the quadrilateral lift LIFT. So in this case, you have to see whose diagonals, or in first you take one triangle whose three sides are known. Three sides are known means you can now take LFI triangle or you can take LTI triangle, because in these two triangles all the three sides are known. So now suppose you take this 4 centimeter, LI 4 centimeter. So you draw here LI 4 सेंटीमीटर, इधर 0 से 4 हो गया. Then this is LI, that is your 4 centimeter. Now LT 2.5. So now take the rounder, and this is 2.5. So here you see this is your 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so now you take the arc of 2.5 centimeter. Taking L as center, you take 2.5 centimeters. This is one arc. Then IT is 4 centimeter. So you take in the ruler IT 4 centimeter. So here you see this is 4 centimeter. So here taking I as center, then you cut where this LT and IT intersect, that is your point T. Now you join LT and IT. You join LT and IT. So LT is your 2.5 cm and IT is your 4 centimeters. Now we got LTI triangle. LTI triangle. Now if you take TF, because it is not known, so you have to draw this LIF triangle. So LI you have drawn. Now you take LF. LF is 4.5 cm. So in a ruler you take 4.5 cm. 4.5. Here you see here 0 and this is 4.5 cm. So here LF is 4.5. So you take L as center. You draw the arc. Of 4.5 centimeter. Then now IF is 3 centimeter. So you take here IF. IF is 3 centimeter. So taking I as center, you cut the arc. So where they intersect, that is your F point. Now you join IF and LF. Then automatically TF is not given. So now you got TF. You join TF. Now LIFT is your required quadrilateral. So LIFT is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Now this is third case when two adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So 3 adjacent side here, you see that is your MO 6 centimeter, MOR 4.5 centimeter, and 3 angles are given. 3 included angles are given. So now we'll start about the 3 angles. So you will see that first you have to take these sides whose dimension is given, whose angles are also nearer angles are given. So you can take here OR or you can take MO. Any one side you can take. So now suppose you are taking MO side. MO is 6 centimeter. Okay. So you take here because you have to draw the angles. So you have to take some spaces. So MO is 6 centimeter. MO is 6 centimeter. So this is MO 6 centimeter. Okay. Now here you also write 6 centimeter. Then M angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now because we can draw the angles by protractor as well as in rounder, but in higher classes, in like your class 8, if you take protractor, then you will not get good marks. So you have to use this compass or rounder. So you have to draw the 60 degree. So 60 for angle 60 degree, taking M as center, taking M as center, you make one arc. Again, you don't change this. If you change, then the angle will be not 60 degree. Now you got another arc without changing the arc. So now you got 60 degree. Now you have to join MO. You have to join MO. That is your. Now you got 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Again in O you have to construct 105 degree. So for 105 degree, then you have to construct your. Again you can take any arc. You can change now. You can change now. But if you fix now, then you will not change. Suppose now I have fixed this. So this is one arc and this is 60 degree. Again another, it is 120 degree. This is 120. But we want 105 degree. So here it is 90 degree. So you join now this angle, this angle, this is your 90 and this is 120. This is 120. But 105 will come between 90 and 120. So now you have to again bisect 90 and 120. For bisecting, this arc will work. Now you take here and from this point another arc. So now you got this arc. Now you join this point. So you got here 105 degree. Now this angle is 105 degree. Okay. Now again this OR is 4.5. So you take OR 4.5. OR 4.5. Here 4.5. So you take, this is your line, this is your required line, this is not, this is 120 degree. So here you take 4.5. So now this is R point. This is 4.5 cm and you can do mistakes. So you have to write here. This is R point. You can do mistakes. Then at R point again 105 degree. So you go, this is very complicated. So again here just like this 105 degree, here also you have to do again 105 degree. So you take any arc, कोई भी arc ले जाओ. Then here this is the another arc. Okay, so now you got 60 degree. Now you got 120 degree. Now if you got here, this is your 90 degree. So अभी you join 90 and 120 because हमारा जो आएगा वो आएगा 90 और 120 का बीच में आएगा. So ये हो गया 90 and this is your 120. So now you have to bisect this gap. So for bisecting again you can take any arc. So here any arc you take. Here also another arc. Where it intersects, this point is 105 degree. So now you join now this R point से यहाँ, this is your 105 degree. So this is 105 degree. So where it intersects this line, that is your E line, E point. So now it is RE. So this is your MORE is your required. MORE is the required quadrilateral. In other classes, we will discuss about the third one, the fourth one, and the special cases. Okay, so this is about your three cases. 1 2 3. Okay, thank you.